Hello everyone, welcome to my live and this is Tess Contreras again. So today is my break time and I want to sell some of my items. So I'm going to show you my items one by one, and if you want to buy it, just comment below and comment mine. Okay, so I'm going to show you my first item. So my first item is gonna be Scotch Brite. So we can use this one to rub our body. So if your skin is thick, you can use this part. But if your skin is sensitive or thin, you can use this part, the light blue. Okay, so this one is only for $5. Okay, comment, mine. Okay, the first one who comment is Kapal Mocha. Thank you so much, Kapal Mocha. I'm going to send you this tomorrow early in the morning, okay? Thank you. Okay, our next item is remote control. So, just only remote control, no TV, because I broke my TV, sorry. But this remote control has a lot of purposes. You can use to turn on your lights, turn on your window, or open your window, open the door. You can open your refrigerator, your freezer. And do you know what the other good thing of this? You can relocate your husband or either your wife. If they didn't come back yet that night. So you can use this one to relocate them, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. Just press the red button, it's the power, and press enter, just the enter, and below enter there's sleep. So just press the bottom, the red bottom, power, enter, and sleep. Okay, so this is only for $20. So I want to buy this. Okay, so Tambay Calzada is the first one. Okay, thank you so much, Tambay Calzada. Thank you. I'm going to send it to you tomorrow afternoon, okay? Thank you. So the next item is unisex underwear. Okay? Yan. Very comfortable siya. Very soft. Unisex. So this one is $10. So you can use this one if you don't have mask. You can use this. It's like this. I'm going to show you. Okay. It's good. You can breathe. Okay. Another purpose of this is it's like this. If you don't have bonnet, it's like that. Or if you're going to cook yummy food, you can use this one to cover your hair. Okay. Okay. So who want to buy this? Okay, thank you so much, Maria Dracula. Thank you. I'm going to send it to you after one day, okay? Thank you. So next item is it's gonna be hand sanitizer. I bought this for $14, but I want to sell it for $5. There's a discount because it's almost half. It's already half, I mean, because I used half. So $10 minus $5, so it's $5, right? So this one's very useful at this time. Okay, so instead of $10, I will give you $5. Okay, who wants to buy this? Mine, 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 mine. Okay, coronavirus is the first one. Thank you so much, coronavirus. I'm going to send it to you right away, okay? After this live, okay? Thank you. And next item is for your shoes. Sorry, but I have different color. One piece is $2. So if you want color purple, but if you want to buy the pink, I have. But if you want to buy both, you can. Why not? So instead of $4, I'll give you it $3 for discount. Free shipping. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. Haba ng cordon. Okay, thank you. Free shipping. Okay, I'm going to send it to you tomorrow, okay? Okay, thank you. So next item, it's gonna be this one. Okay, for your shoes again. So this one is supposedly very expensive. It's very, very expensive. It's $100. Okay, it's because it's very, very soft, very comfortable. But I'm going to give you a discount. Instead of $100, I'm going to give you a half price, $50. Okay, because there's a ginat-ngat po siya ng aso. That is the reason why I'm going to give you half price, okay? Very, very soft. Okay. First comment is, okay, Luca. Okay, thank you so much, Luca. I'm going to send it to you after 1 year, okay? Okay, thank you. And next item. Oh, I have a men's underwear or men's brief. Okay, so this one is $30. $30 expensive because my ano siya, my pocket. There's a pocket here on the side, the front. It's a secret pocket. You can put, I don't know what you want to put. It's size 38. USA size is size 38, and Asian size is XL. Okay, who wants to buy this? Okay, first comment is Babaero. Okay, Babaero, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to send it to you tomorrow early in the morning so you can wear it, okay? Thank you. Free shipping, okay. So next item. I have very, very cute bathing suit here. Okay, this one. This one is a lot of purposes too. Okay. So you can use this as a bra. It's a bra. And use this one. It's a mask. And use this. It's a bib for your babies. And when you go to the beach, Sexy. Sexy. Or either same as bonnet. There you go. There. Okay, this is only $20. Okay, thank you so much, Mario Dracola. Okay, thank you. I'm going to send it to you after 1 month, okay? Because it's still winter, so I'm sure you're not going to use it right away, so maybe after 1 month. Okay, thank you. So next item, eyelashes. Sorry, but I can't find the box anymore. Because when I bought this, when I put on top of the table, my husband opened it and then he stick on his forehead like this. He stick like that. You see? That's why. And he throw the box so I can find the box. But anyway, don't worry, I can give you discount. So instead of $4, I can give you $2. Okay? Want to buy this? Okay, first one is Broha. Okay, thank you so much, Broha. Free shipping. Free shipping. Okay, thank you. Okay, next item is, oh my gosh. I have beautiful small succulent. There you go. So this one is very, very expensive. It's like $200. Ito na ang uso ngayon ng paninda sa Pinas. So, look at, it's beautiful succulents. There you go. There. $200, guys. $200. But sorry, no more soil. So you need to buy soil. There you go. $200. Okay. First comment. First comment is liar. Thank you so much, liar. I'm going to send it to you after 2 months, okay? Thank you. And the last item is ketchup. We have here Thousand Island for your vegetable salad. And I have mustard. Okay, this one is free. Free shipping. Okay, so everything is free. Okay. Okay, Libri is the one who got it. Okay, thank you for watching. We don't have no more time. Bye, guys. Bye.